Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word dramas. Dramas. Traumas. Traumas. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I love watching Korean dramas with intricate storylines and emotional character development. Dramas in this sentence refers to television shows or movies that have intense, emotional, and often unpredictable storylines centered around relationships and conflicts. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.